All right. Hello. I'm excited to share some of the updates related to the discussions tool in Canvas and the redesign that happened this summer, as well as into the first few months of the school year. So, a lot of the changes we did have turned on, but they were in beta, and now all of those have rolled out. They're permanent and they're fixed. The discussion tool in Canvas is a pretty awesome tool for communicating with your students, setting up a space for them to ask questions and to help each other, as well as a way to get conversation going in an alternative way than a full in-person class setting. For some of your students who might be a little bit more shy or timid, don't feel as inclined to share. It's a really good back channel chat tool as well for homework assignments or anything else. So the features that are new in Canvas are just some interface changes as well as some nice additional implementation features and ease of use. So I'm going to plug in a sample one right now. So I'm on the discussions tool in my course. And if I toggle into one of my, I'm actually no different one, but if I toggle into one of my discussions, and you can see some of these new features. So first of all, there's some clear labeling now between the different profiles in a discussion, which is really nice. So you can visually see and stand out, especially if you're replying to students who an author is, who a teacher is. So there didn't used to be any of those in this course. So now you can see there's a student profile, teacher profile, whoever created this initial post, it is there. Other things, you have more searching options as well. So you can search for specific words that a person's put, keywords, or the name of the author. So if you're looking for a student to see their contributions, you can do that. I can go to only my unread, especially if I got interrupted maybe in the middle of grading, because you can attach rubrics and score Canvas discussions. I can sort these newest to first or first to newest, the reverse way. The nice cool thing that's new is this split screen feature. So I can toggle into a different view on this. Traditional is inline, but now I can do split screen if I need to. And basically it's going to change my visibility to where I have posts beside each other, especially if there's different threads that have been created. So this one, we don't have a whole lot of actually different threads that have been made, but that's an example of how you can leverage that tool is to toggle your view to inline. The other piece that's new is you can expand all the threads. So you can open all the conversations if you need to, or I can set it up to where I only see a couple at a time. So if you like the threaded view, you can do that. Students can also quote each other and tag one another in discussions as well. The newest feature that's probably the most helpful is the summarize tool. So the summarize feature in a discussion uses AI to give a recap of some of the different pieces that students brought up in their discussion posts and really how it relates to the questions that you maybe pose in the initial author of that thread. So I click the summarize button and it's actually below my prompt here. So if I go a little bit further down, I see this box here and it's called discussion summary. And here we go. So it gave me some different summaries here of what people talked about. But if I really wanted to have the AI give me more specific information, I can type in areas that I want to focus on. So if I want to see how well did students talk about a specific blended learning model, that's what this discussion was about. Or if I want to see a specific strategy that was referenced, I can ask it that and then it will generate a summary based on the input. So it's using AI to look at your prompts and what you're hoping to see and to give you summaries of the student responses based on that. So that is a new feature and maybe can help you gather some common questions, especially if you had set this up to where students are asking some questions about maybe something they misunderstood or something they need clarified before you have your next class. You can address it. So that is the discussion tool and some of the new updates and features there. You should be able to see all of these changes. If not, please enter a ticket and let us know. And if you want additional training on this, we are happy to do that.